Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this wig. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the cap that I'm going to use. You can use any cap that you have, and then I'm going to sew this knit on the cap because I want to create like a natural side parting. So I'll put a link in the description box down below on where you can get this knit and all the items that I'm going to use today. So I'm going to sew this knit on the cap and then cut the cap so that I'm left with the net. This is the hair that I'm using. You don't have to use the exact type of hair that I'm using. I'll put some links in the description box down below on other types that you can use, then will just achieve the same style. You can buy the same color or different colors. So I'm going to sew the weave on the cap and then trim it to my desired shape.
but I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches. We're toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. Rise together, we're better, I am crooked, you're clean cuts. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If I'm knocked out, we'll go the distance.
So guys, I've sewn combs on the sides, and then I applied concealer on the parting. That's how it looks. So let me just try it on, because I'm also going to shave it. I'm going to trim it. I just want you to see like how it looks before I trim it.
Traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you caught me a renegade. Oh, wow. Through all my lows, you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. Oh, oh, but I'm a renegade of your love. Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. Then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Oh, throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love.
This is the final look, guys. What do you think about it? So you can trim this hair when it's on someone's head, just to give it that, you know, that shape. So I just used the mannequin. I don't know if it looks perfect, but if you trim it when it's on your head or someone's head, it's going to be perfect.
I live my life on the run. I say I'm not giving up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. In a similar way, I feel I'm losing my conscience. Traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you caught me a renegade. Oh, wow. Through all my lows, you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. Oh, oh, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.